Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to be really rich in all areas of life. That's not just financially, but also in terms of your relationships, your health, and your overall well-being. If you're ready to take your life to the next level, stick around for the next few minutes. I'm going to share with you some of the most powerful tips and strategies that I've learned over the years. So, let's get started. How to be really rich in all areas of life. To be really rich in all areas of life, you need to focus on more than just your financial wealth. You also need to invest in your relationships, your health, and your overall well-being. Here are a few tips. Focus on your relationships. Strong relationships are one of the most important things in life. Make time for the people you love, and let them know how much you care. Take care of your health. Eat healthy foods, exercise regularly, and get enough sleep when you're healthy. You have more energy and vitality to enjoy all aspects of your life. Invest in your personal development. Read books, take courses, and attend workshops to learn new things and grow as a person. The more you invest in yourself, the more valuable you become. Give back to others. Volunteering your time and resources to help others is a great way to make a difference in the world and feel good about yourself. Of course, financial wealth is also important. But if you focus on the other areas of your life first, the financial wealth will follow. Here are a few tips for building financial wealth. Live below your means. Spend less money than you earn. This will allow you to save money and invest it for the future. Invest your money wisely. There are many different investment options available, so it's important to do your research and choose investments that are right for you. Be patient. Building financial wealth takes time. Don't expect to get rich quick by following these tips. You can be really rich in all areas of your life. Remember, it's not just about the money. It's also about the relationships you have, your health, and your overall well-being. So, there you have it. Those are my tips on how to be really rich in all areas of life. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.